this about?
National Weather Service in Alaska has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harvey County in central Florida, northeastern DeSoto County in south central Florida until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Arcadia, moving northwest at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 16 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicators. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted
Wait, something's going off. So basically says me.
National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harvey County in central Florida, northeastern DeSoto County in south central Florida until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida. DeSoto and Harvey. The thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Arcadia, moving northwest at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
The hell? Yeah, good job, these two radios.
Any damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hardy, Florida,